Hello, this video is about the upgrade of a program used in a old FX0 30MT, upgrading to a modern CPU FX5U from Mitsubishi. Hello all and welcome back. This is Gerd Zeller from Zeller Presscontrol Systems and off we go. Alright, so I already got it set up. I'm using the FX USB AW adapter on the FX0 CPU and the Ethernet adapter and the Ethernet connection on the FX5U. So let's just go ahead and open the GXWorks2. If you get the GXWorks2 open, on the menu up on top, go to online and read from PLC. And then you need to choose the according PLC that we have. So in our case, it's an FX CPU. Push OK. And then we will have the transfer setup. And the transfer setup, since it's made with the FX USB. I made a separate video about this that I'm gonna link both, and just you can see if you go to the device manager and to the COM ports, you will see on which COM port the USB adapter is connected to. In my case it's the number 3, and so I will just double click on here, open COM3, make a connection test real quick, so that should be okay, and then make okay, and then it should open the window for the upload. There it is. All right, so I'm gonna just check everything and then execute, and it's already connected and uploading. It's not a real big program, so it should go decently fast. Okay, it's done. So close this window, close this window. And then you can see the program is uploaded, and of course on the old CPUs we don't have any comments or symbols or anything like this, so the program is just empty. But that is not really important since the program has been working for the last 30 years or so. That's okay. And then just save the project, save as. Just go to your folder that you're gonna save it to and give it a name. Update. All right, and then just save it. And then it gives you a couple notes because of the safety, the security settings. We will just ignore that and push yes. And then it will be saved in just a second or two. Okay, so it's saved, and now we close the GXWorks tool. Go over to the GXWorks3, because the FX5U does only work with the GXWorks3, and then on the project, on the upper menu, choose the project, and there is an item that says open out of format file. So we'll just go ahead and open this project, and then it's already here because I have already chosen it before. Tutorials, FX5U, there we go. So we open it. Okay, and then we will get a fault message, unable to open the series or module type in GXWorks3. Please open it after changing PLC type to any of the following modules. So you need a QCPU, a process CPU redundant, or an FX3U. So now go ahead and close the project again. Open the GXWorks2. Of course, we can do this in one go, but I just wanted to show you what happens if you don't do that, or what you need to do in order to actually work. So we open the project again, and then we go to the menu project, and there is an item that says change PLC type. And here you can choose the FX3U that we just showed on this other message. Click OK, and then you get some messages again, which we will not go through at this moment. So click OK, and it's gonna change it. Okay, there we go. Already done. And then save the project. Close the GXWorks2. Open GXWorks3. And go to the open. No, sorry, no. We need to go to the open auto format file, GXWorks2 format, open project. Double click on the project, and now we should be able to open it. It will take just another couple minutes, and here it's gonna ask to what CPU we will transfer it. So we only got the FX5U. Execute. And now it's converting. You can see that changing all the datas, and then GXWorks2 project was read and module type was changed to FX5U. Please check the result in the output window. The output window we can see right here. We've got a couple warnings, which I would also not go through right now, because the program has been working for a long time, so we should be okay. Then on the upper menu, make a rebuild, and hopefully we will not get any errors. So 0 errors. We are able to open the program here, and then if everything goes right, we should be able to write it to the PLC. Everything. Okay, execute the download, and it's going to be written no data in the in command device, of course, because that's empty. Writing has been skipped. So now we reset the CPU. So in order to do this, I will just go ahead and switch my camera on so I can show you this real quick. Just a sec. So on the stop button, we just I'm just gonna make sure that I can see the LED also. We push it down until the arrow LED flashes very fast. Bring the switch in the upper position, and then you can see the PLC is in run and the program is active. So let's just go ahead and check it in the online view and see if we can see anything here. Oh, the wrong button. Okay, then here we go, and then we should see, yes, we have a running program, we have no errors, and this is just how easy it is to upgrade the program from an FX0 to an FX5U from Mitsubishi. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.